My name is Matthew Fiedler, and I'm the chief hacker for the company called Re3D. And we're here with our flagship model 3D printer, and this is the Gigabot. It's a 3D printer that uses a plastic material. A lot of people are familiar with 3D printers, and they have small desktop 3D printers, and what we found is not all of our dreams and our projects fit on these little 3D printers. So the first step for us was to make a large format 3D printer. We're printing at the human scale. There's a huge potential in the market for 3D printing, and we are looking at making more than just little toys and bobbleheads and something you can fit in your hand. These are functional items. This is tools, this is furniture, this is things that people can actually use. And this is only the first step in our business. The next step is to do the recycling of plastics. So we all know there's a lot of plastic trash around the world, especially in developing countries. So we'd like to take that plastic, we'd like to recycle it and make useful objects like composting toilets, rainwater barrel collections, and things that people can use. We're also looking to scale our operations too, so there's a possibility to bring in funding so we can scale. We're already looking at manufacturing. We have pre-orders where we can't manufacture fast enough. So we're ready to scale up and to scale our manufacturing and get our product out there a little bit faster. The application for 3D printing is amazing. So it hits every sector of society. 3D printing is used for startup companies to quickly iterate their process, and we can develop prototypes. Manufacturers use it for exactly the same reason. You can bring your product to market much quicker when you can quickly create a prototype, figure out what you would like to change, and iterate and make your next prototype. We see an advancement in the medical science where you can customize and personalize the objects for the patient, especially in the surgical applications where you can practice the day before or create the fixation for the bone or whatever application specifically for your patient. Based upon CT data, MRI, X-ray data, you can create a model of it and then learn something and then do the real surgery the next day. You are looking at this application of 3D printing for architects who want to create scale models, for schools. In fact, the 3D printers, they run on imagination. So the better imagination you have, the more cool things you can make with it.